Your next question is, how many colors are there in the sun's rays? These are your options. A. 4 colors. B. 5 colors. C. 8 colors. D. 7 colors. The correct answer is D. 7 colors. Your next question is, where is the world's largest salt lake? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. Bolivia. The correct answer is D. Bolivia. Your next question is, how many years did it take to build Burj Khalifa? These are your options. A. 5 years. B. 6 years. C. 8 years. D. 10 years. The correct answer is B. 6 years. Your next question is, which bird's voice is sweeter than the cuckoo? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Parrot. C. Nightingale. D. Ostrich. The correct answer is C. Nightingale. Your next question is, most water is found in the milk of which animal? These are your options. A. Elephant. B. Cow. C. Sheep. D. Goat. The correct answer is B. Cow. Your next question is, which part of the body gets damaged by eating crisps? These are your options. A. Teeth. B. Lung. C. Liver. D. Kidney. The correct answer is C. Liver.